Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Millie, this is Ronan, and today we are exploring the beautiful town of Ronda.
So we've got a big list of things we want to do here, so we're going to see how much of it we can actually fit into one day. So first up, we're going to check out the main attraction, which is Rhonda Bridge.
Wow, it's even bigger than I imagined.
This is amazing. I think it's actually 100 meters tall, and someone said it's actually 200 years old, but it took 34 years to actually build. And there's so much detail and engineering gone into it. It's absolutely amazing.
So there are many different viewpoints of the bridge and of different parts of Ronda. We're planning on checking a lot of them out today. This was just the first one we saw. This is the closest one to us. But yeah, we're going to try and see how many we can get to today and see which ones we think are best. So you can actually see a pathway leading from the bridge all the way down to the valley, where you get to see the bridge from down below. I think there's a waterfall down there. Yeah, it's supposed to be a lovely walk. We might have time to do that today. We're going to cram in as many things as possible. But look at this. Mom, this is for you. Oh.
Hola, mamá de Amelia. Te mando este cristal para que te dé mucha luz y te llene de amor y de paz.
Oh, so beautiful. Muchas gracias.
Gracias a ti, cariño. Y algo para la energía del dinero. Todos los euros tienen puertas. No las cierras en tu monedero. Siempre open the door for the flow, the energy, the money.
That's a great tip. I'm going to say that in English. She's saying that on the money notes, when you have a door, you're not supposed to close it like this. You're supposed to close it this way to leave the door open to let the flow of money come through. So this crystal, Mom, is for you, and I bought you the blue one with your throat chakra, and it sends all healing energy to your throat. But this is beautiful. As you hang it up in the garden in the sunlight, it reflects all around the garden. And we've got one ourselves on our balcony, which Ronan's mom bought me for Christmas a few years ago, and it's just beautiful. So Mom, this one's for you.
Bueno, dejo. Bueno, baby.
Oh, you can hear a violin. Oh, it sounds so romantic up here. We haven't been here long at all, but I'm getting such a good feeling from this place. Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just feel like the energy's so nice here. And
It's a fantastic day as well. It's not too warm.
It's perfect. The temperature is perfect today, and I'm just loving it. So that viewpoint was called Paseo de Blas Infante, and that one was absolutely gorgeous. You don't really get a view of the bridge, but you get one from all of the mountains and everything behind it. It's absolutely beautiful. There are certain opening times, so you're best checking that out before you visit, but I'll leave the opening times in the description so that if you do plan on coming here, you don't miss it. So right behind me is a bullring. This is right next to the viewpoint that we've just been to. It's €8 to enter, and it's a really cool way of immersing yourself in the Spanish culture. But personally, I don't think this is the kind of thing that we're into, so we're not going to go inside. So the shops here are fantastic. We've just walked up from the bullring up the main street, and we've pretty much gone in every shop. Yeah, there's loads of lovely things in there. I've got a few little gifts for you, Maisie, and we've just bought ourselves a few little things. So yeah, it's lovely. There's a big long street full of shops and stuff. We weren't planning on coming up this way, but that's the best part, isn't it? It's always unplanned. Can't beat a bit of shopping. So next up we're going to Jardines De Cuenca. These are nice little gardens, and we think it's time to have some lunch. We're both starving, but we're already saying this might be our favourite place that we've been so far on our trip. We're feeling really good here, and it helps that the weather's amazing.
For some reason, the air quality is just amazing here. We just feel so pure and clean. Obviously, we're up a little bit higher, and we're just kind of surrounded by mountains and trees and that, but it's amazing here.
I love it as well that every place of interest that we come to, they have a little sign giving you the opening times and a bit of information and stuff like that. Wow. Oh my gosh.
This is amazing. I think the whole town is picturesque. Like, and not even just one different view. It's like there's so many different places around all of it. It's
yeah,
incredible.
I didn't even expect to get a bridge view from this park, but we're getting it, and it's bloody amazing.
And what's amazing is our accommodation is literally about 4 minutes walk that way. So
Yeah.
we're right bang in the middle of all of this. It's
We
incredible.
have chose the most perfect place to stay. We're in the perfect location, and we're staying in like a Buddha house, it's called, I think.
Yeah.
But it's a really nice vibe, but it's in central location, so I definitely recommend staying there. It's a lovely little spot. It's amazing that you can see all like the cliffs coming down, and all there's trees all on the cliffs, but you can see all the roots hanging out, can't you?
This place is absolutely stunning.
I'm literally blown away. Like, I've been looking at pictures of this place for, I don't even want to say months, I'd say a few years now. I am blown away because like, it's so much better than pictures. Everywhere we've been, every street, everywhere we're looking. But it's not all just details made from humans, it's all natural as well, do you think?
Yeah.
A lot of the natural details are just perfect. So we're at Mirador De Aldewella, and I think this is the main one. I've seen pictures of this all over Google. It's absolutely amazing. Get a really good view here of everything. So as you all know, I'm a bit of a tea girl. I'm a bit disappointed so far. They never fill the cups up to the top. That is nearly a half empty glass in my eyes, and I always see a glass as half full. Not when it comes to tea though. What have you gone for?
Mango and Kit Kat.
That's a
really
weird mixture.
Weird mixture, but I wanted each of them.
How much was it?
€3.
Oh, that's not bad.
Pretty good, yeah.
Oh, quickly. I'm just going to do this just to protect the bowl. I've got to try some Kit Kat.
We need to get some ice cream for at home, if you know what I mean.
That's nice. Oh my god, this is where you get the best views of the bridge. And there's like, what, 4 people down here? This is crazy. This is where you need to come. If you come into Ronda, this spot. I'm going to leave it linked in the description, the exact location, how to get down here to see this. So this is it from us today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed coming with us as we explore Ronda. I have got to say, I'm saying it, this is my favourite town in Spain that we've been to.
And I'm the same. I think it's incredible, and it is possible to get all of this done in the one day, which is fantastic. So you could easily do this in a day trip, but I think it's worth checking out for a day or two anyway. There's so many different viewpoints to see here.
Yeah, definitely. It's quite a small town to walk around. Well, the main bit is anyway. And if you are planning on staying here overnight, I would definitely recommend getting a place right next to the bridge, or the closest as possible to the bridge, as all the attractions are surrounding the bridge.
Yeah. But I think as the sun goes down now in a while, it's going to be absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. So if you've enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to follow us on our Andalusia road trip to see where else we go.
So if you're planning a trip here, or if you've been here before, let us know in the comments. Other than that, we hope to see you again next week.
Thanks for watching, guys.